Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really pretty sponge and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this lightish pink polish by Creative Play called Life's a Cupcake. This lilac polish by Creative Play also called I Like to Mauve It. Red by Orly called La Sachet. I hope I said that right. This iridescent by LA Colors called Sea Life. And I'm going to apply those colors onto a makeup sponge. And I'm not doing like a traditional ombre design. I call it a sponge design because I really don't know what this design really is. So that's the easiest way to, say it. And you can apply the colors anywhere you want to. Now, it took me a while to get the colored or, the desired colors that I wanted because that red was so powerful against the other lighter colors. So if you're using colors similar to this, it's going to take you a while. But I didn't want to show you it and bore you with doing the ombre or whatever 50 million times. So I'm just doing it twice. And it did, like I said, take me a while. But I loved how it came out. It's really pretty. And it's perfect to apply a floral nail stamp design on. Once I was done using my Born Pretty BPL-027 nail plate, I'm going to apply black polish onto, like I said, a floral design. I just thought this stamp design on top of that, nail colors just came out so perfect. I love how it came out. It's really pretty. It's perfect for spring, even though it's not spring technically, right now, it's a perfect, pretty design. And as you can see, I just placed the stamp design on my nails. I removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you to recreate if you like. I love how this came out though. I really do. It's really pretty. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram. I have fun with my nails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.